Hey guys, Ultra Maximus back with another unboxing video. I got another package in the mail. Not quite sure what it is. I got an idea, but yeah, so here it is. eBay. So I think I got a good idea what it is. Let's find out. So much tape. It is hot here in Indiana today. It got up to about 100 degrees out. Hopefully it's not that hot where you're at. I do like the summer, but it's a bit much, isn't it? It's just, and Indiana is a very muggy heat, so I don't know if you've ever experienced that, but goodness gracious, it is hot. Yep, it is what I thought it was. Very, very cool. It is a Transformer. It's from the Titans Return, and it's Autobot Wheelie. Yes, I got this on Sunday eBay cheap bin shopping. So what I like to do on Sundays is kind of go through to eBay, and then I'll pick Transformers, I'll pick Marvel Legends or something, and then put buy it now, $10 and under. This figure popped up, so I got this super dirt cheap, and was actually not expecting this until later this week, if not next week. So I'm gonna have to give a good rating to the seller. He got it to me very, very quick. Here's the back of the package real fast. So look for a review of this coming up real soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumbs it up. If you hate this video, thumbs it down. To watch more Ultra Maximus, click on the links to the right. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And as always, look for more videos in the future.